having the sound therapy on my ear where it's piping the sound directly into the canal through the auditory system, that was what worked the best for me by far. I loved that I can have sounds in my ear that I can play. I did different types of sounds. So I used pink noise, but I used frogs, I used ocean waves. And so that's one of the things I love about the devices at Treble Health is they have the ability to have on board the pink noise or the white noise, but also then stream in other sounds that are helpful too.